YouTubers, the Nooga Cowboy here, Cowboy and the Indian. Taking a quick trip to, hopefully not Walmart, because who likes to do that? So the question I have, and I've been to a couple of parts stores, you know, quote unquote parts stores, and I've done my research online, trying to figure out what's the best products to use as far as cleaning your motorcycle, you know, cleaning the engine, because I mean, obviously I don't want to do any damage to it. Yeah, the rolling stop. So what's the best? So that's where I'm going. I did find a product at Walmart. I happened to see it the other day, and I forget the name of it right now. Protect-All, I believe. Yeah, I think it's Protect-All. Went online and I've seen some pretty good reviews of it. So that is, if I don't find anything at my last quote-unquote parts store to stop at, then that's what I'll go with. I know online I'll probably order. McGuire's has a motorcycle package, you know, cleaners that I might order. I've got plenty of cleaners, you know, car cleaners. I've got just about everything. But I'm kind of OCD like that, I guess. If I want to get something, you know, I want to be specific, you know, motorcycle specific. So if you use a specific type of motorcycle cleaner, polish, wax, engine cleaner, let me know. I want to know what works best, obviously, and what's going to be safe for the motorcycle. Now, I've been to Advance, I've been to AutoZone, I'm going to stop by O'Reilly's. And Advance and AutoZone really didn't have much. I mean, that's, yeah, I'm not putting that on them. I understand why they wouldn't carry much or any of it. I know in the past they have, so I don't know what changed. If it just wasn't selling, or because motorcyclists, you know, with stores like Cycle Gear in town now, I think for the most part, bikers are going to go there to pick up their stuff, really, for a wide array of everything motorcycles. So I'm not blaming AutoZone or Advance Auto at all. It's just part of it, I know that. So we're going to try O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's. Yeah, it's terrible, I know. I don't get paid to sing. I understand that. Kind of an iffy day out there. I don't think we're going to get any rain. I hope not. Started off with rain and not looking very promising. Bad boys, what you gonna do? We'll slow down. I don't want to take it. We obey the law around here, partner. All you other heathens could do what you want to do. A law-abiding citizen right here. Yeah, boy. And we're supposed to be going right here. I'm over here making weird noises. And here we are. Alright, so didn't have what I was looking for here. I guess we'll have to go to the big Walmart. Didn't want to do that, but I guess we'll have to. Waiting on no chance to go here, yeah. Luckily, Walmart's just right up the road here. So, going back to the whole cleaning your motorcycle conversation. I've seen the McGuire's pack. They got the metal cleaner, the easy clean, the polisher, all that stuff. So, if anyone knows how good that is, let me know. I mean, really, most of these products will be pretty good. I just don't want to damage a finish, especially on the matte black. If you guys can give me some hints or comments on how you clean your matte black finish, that'd be very helpful. I've heard even Windex or like invisible glass. You just put some of that on there and you'll be fine. Hey man, I'm good with wet. I just want it to work. I just want it to be clean. By the way, I'm running an Indian Scout 60. Crockett Power Sports, what up? And hook a brother up. I still haven't mastered the rev matching yet. You can probably hear. It's all about timing, kids. Until I get that done, it's not going to be pretty. Other than that, you know, I just love doing YouTube stuff too, so there you go. Plus, it's a freaking Indian. These motorcycles are cool, man. I'm just trying to spread the love a little bit. Spread the love over my shield here. Today I've got on my full face helmet. Can I park here? I don't know. We're going to do it though. Gonna buckle my helmet so I can. I don't know where to go from there. People are probably gonna start looking at me a little weird. Feel like I'm talking to myself, which I'll do that anyway. Might as well be on camera or be on mic doing it, right? Cool. All right, headed home. I didn't show you the can or the bottle of Protect-All that I bought, so I don't know. We'll try it out. I don't know if it'll be today or not, but we'll definitely give it a go. We're gonna spend $10 on it. Might as well use it for something. You know what I'm saying? $10, dude. It's cleaner. It's not liquid gold. I'd like to thank you all for joining me today on my little ride. If there's something you want me to cover, just leave me a little shout down in the comments. I'll see what I can do. You know, any topic. Like was Poison the best 80s hair band? I'd probably say Motley Crue. But hey, we all have our opinions. Can't go wrong. Every rose has its thorn. Dope song. You gotta love the motorcycle community. Much love, man. Much love. I gotta get home and mow. I just can't stay out and ride all day. And being an adult can really suck it up. What's that all about? Like a mortgage and a motorcycle payments I'm cool with. Otherwise I wouldn't be out here. car payments. I mean, come on, dude. This is what it's all about right here. Open road. Red Indian Scout. Cowboy and the Indian series on YouTube. That's what it's all about. Thank you. Subscribe, fool. And that's it, folks. Just one more look at my girl. There she is. She's a beaut, Clark.